Hey guys! This is me, once again, and today I'm going to be doing another Peppa&Pig roast reaction video. And today's episode I'm going to be reacting to is Peppa Devours by Parrot. Peppa, that is animal cruelty right there. Why don't you do this to your own pet parrot? God, Peppa, you really are heartless. Anyways, without further ado, let's get this reaction video started. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Begin. Ew! Gross, Peppa! You just did that real offer thing. Peppa, stop acting like little offer honey blueberry adventures. Guess you won't listen. Peppa, stop acting crazy already. No, Peppa, you don't have flies. I really wish that you did. And that way, you'll be more weirder and finally make fun of you. Stop holding your breath in, Mommy Pig. I feel bad for Daddy Pig. Yeah, I agree with you, Daddy Pig. Peppa, George, and Mommy Pig disgust me as well.
Peppa Devours.
I can't believe Peppa would do such a thing. Ha! They're all fell off.
Come inside.
I would rather lick a rusty knife.
I agree with you, Daddy Pig.
Is it a rusty
I would rather with a rusty knife than ever do with this crappy show.
Just say the words.
Basically, I would never do that in real life, because I always was to Danger Rangers.
Dinosaur?
No, there's no dinosaur!
Serious.
Stop with the dinosaur nonsense already! This is the modern day, George! Ha! That dinosaur just rolled in your face! What do you feel about dinosaurs now, George? Dinosaur!
She's our pet parrot. She's called Polly.
We already know that, Randy Pig. Stop saying it freaking obvious already.
It is Molly, you wrinkly old hen sandwich.
Yeah, call her Molly from now on.
You're ever in.
Yeah, I agree with you. Peppa and George aren't torture.
I am a clever parrot.
You have no idea, you swine.
Yeah, Randy Pig really is a swine. I know who else are swines. Peppa and George. Peppa and George, you are a bunch of dirty swines. You really disgust me, Peppa and George. Especially you, George. Although you do other shows that like hi all the damn time.
Hello, Polly.
Get away from me.
Yeah, stay away from that.
What a nasty tub of lard.
Stay away from that hoverboard.
Tea time.
Yeah, Mommy Pig really is a hoverboard.
What a sweet little parrot.
What a nasty tub of lard.
Sweet. Peppa and George are anything but sweet.
Please tell me you are going away to...
Yeah, I really wish Peppa and George would get the hell out of here.
I thought those little swine fleas would never...
Yeah, they really are swine fruit. It just ate poop earlier. Disgusting. That's not hate, Randy Pig. That's obviously poop. How that hate says... If Peppa and George just ate hate earlier, how is there already a piece of hate right there? How? That's wholly unrealistic. Identical torture Daddy Pig. This time with a grenade this time. I can't believe it, George. Won't you abuse Daddy Pig? At least Peppa and George didn't vaccine him this time. What did I do wrong, George? Polly, George, when he cries. Will do, Eric. What? Yeah, it's funny to see Shorts dead by Molly Parrot. We already know who the hell you are. Stop saying the goddamn movie. Just like your goddamn narrator.
George, say George.
No, don't cry then. For you, didn't cry then. Stop laughing! Why is that what is even funny? Yeah, Peppa and George are annoying that poor parrot.
Sorry, Parrot.
The only thing you could be is a sausage biscuit.
Peppa's a sausage biscuit, and so is Shorts.
Don't even get me started on you.
You're so
Do you know
hilarious,
the two
Molly
things you have
Parrot.
in common with low-fat Walmart?
Peppa and Shorts live in Walmart.
Don't even get me started on you. Do you know the two things you have in common with low-fat Walmart brand bacon? You're made of pork, and
Shorts,
everyone hates you.
she say bacon. Shorts still can't handle bacon.
Brand bacon? You're made of
Here it
pork, and
comes.
everyone
Shorts
hates
throwing it
you.
hard for bacon. You back, Shorts. You deserve it. Bacon, 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 bacon. We already know you're stupid, Peppa. Stop feeling that they're obvious. How are they still laughing? Wait. What you just do to poor Molly? Peppa! How do you hate with their parrot being killed by Peppa? Ray picks up Peppa and Shorts with her lightsaber. Or better yet, she used laser eyes on them. Yeah, Peppa and Shorts really hurt host. What a great roast. Everything about it was awesome, especially Molly Parrot's comments towards Peppa and Shorts. Peppa and Shorts, we are... Yeah, Peppa and Shorts, we are swine. I love Molly Parrot's comments towards Peppa and Shorts. They were hateful. They were the right thing to do. I praise that parrot. Peppa and Shorts don't have a heart. They're too heartless. They're too heartless to realize how unfair they're treating poor Molly. Yeah, her name isn't Polly anymore. It's now Molly now. I really feel bad for that poor parrot. Parrot Shorts, you should have known better. Well, my favorite part of all of this was Molly Parrot's hot with Shorts over bacon. And his response was really funny. He cried over bacon once again, which proves that Shorts seriously can't handle bacon. Well, you back, Shorts. Tomorrow I'm giving you all the bacon you ever need. And today, Polly Parrot hat Shorts over crying. He deserves that hat. Good job, Molly. You're way better than Peppa, Shorts, and Mommy Pig, and Randy and Grandpa. I feel that for Daddy Pig as well. I can't believe he fell down from that grenade. Anyways, without further ado, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Bye.